I'll just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We're about to unbox our hub. I am not sure if it's a AEG hub, but let's see what we have inside here. It's taped up this way because it's been opened before, but we just get it off and then we have a look. We've got a phone call coming through, but that'll have to wait. Right, now when you open your box, this is what you got. Alright, so we lift that off of there. Yeah, and we were correct, so AEG hub. And this is what we have. Basically, book of instruction and your hub. You don't need a lot more than that, do you? Alright, so we're going to flip it over and have a look underneath. Okay? See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here you go. We've flipped it over. Now, this lid here, if you look at it from a sideways, I'm going to try and get it for you. See these? It's got like a little hook on the top there. So what you got to do is get your screwdriver. I had a screwdriver here. I don't know what I've done with it. Basically, just put your screwdriver in there, and what you're doing is pressing that inwards. If I do it like that, you can see the movement. Yeah? There's my screwdriver. So when it closes, you just get your screwdriver in there, just like that. Press it over, pop it up. Alright? Both sides. On here, you have your connectors. And on here, you have your instructions on how to wire it up. Okay? So we have blue, brown, and our earth. So our earth will go onto here. Your earth is normally your yellow and black, yellow and green wire. You can just see a color there through there. Your blue will be coming up to number 4, and your brown, which is your live, will be going to number 2. There it is. It's as straightforward as that. Your cable, let's just use the cable that is going to be used. It's wrapped over and taped up. So you can't, that's not the end of the cable. The end of the cable is there. Right? That will come through here. So what you'll need to do is undo that torque screw, flip that open, feed your cable through, connect it up, flip that back over and tighten it down to prevent your cable moving in any way whatsoever. Basically, that's all there is underneath it, and that's all there is to show and explain. As you can see, it just plonks right in, and that's it. So that's your AEG hub. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so till next time from Tradespeople's Tips. See you later, and like I always say, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay, once you finish clear your cable, press it like that, and it's locked. Yeah? Lift there, it is locked. Okay, people, that's our hub fitted. See you later.